This truck right here is a 1957 Chevy 3200 pickup, and it's got a lot of work that needs to be done on it, but this was something that I was inherited to me from my dad, and but I've done a lot of stuff to it. It's another nice little piece to have here on the Homestead. It's a great aesthetic, even if I can't get it to run yet. But when you look at the engine here, the engine is in such great shape. I've replaced the carburetor, fuel pump, the fuel filter, head gaskets, and a few more things I got to do, but I think it looks pretty good. What do you think?